Hey guys, it's Shah here, the Tech Borg, and in this video we're going to be doing a challenge program in Python. And I found this thing on this Microsoft course or something, and it's just like a really short challenge, simple challenge for those of you that want to really excel in Python. And it's quite a short challenge. I mean, it's not too complicated, but I really do suggest you pause this video and have a go at the challenge. As you can see, it's over here on my left of my desktop. So please have a go. So the challenge is we have to write a program that will print the names and ages of the people or something like that will visit of the people visiting a party in the guest list file that we created in the last module. But I haven't created anything, so we're gonna make it anyway now. So if you didn't do the last challenge, you can just create a file read using Notepad that contains the name and ages. So if we just go ahead and do that real quick, I right click, new text document. So names, and then if we open this, then we can give a name like Stephen is 15, George is, okay, I can't spell, but it doesn't matter, 20, Mike is 50, and you is 60. So we've got our data now, we've got the names, we've got our txt file, and we know the name of the txt file. So now we'll start off with something that we can call the open file as. So with allows you to give a name to the open file. So with open, and then in the first brackets you want to put in your name of the file. So that's names. It has to be case correct. So as you can see, the names is names.txt. So it's names.txt, and then we want to open it in read mode. So it's read. And that's literally as, and then as gives this entire thing a name. So it's basically like creating a variable. F is equal to that, but instead we can just do it as with open that. So with this file we can call it as, and then I'm going to call it my file. So now what we're going to use is we're going to use a CSV. A CSV is comma separated values. So as you can see, we've used commas to separate the values, so we can use a CSV format. To use CSV format, we have to also import the CSV file. CSV is very easy to use, purely because of simplicity, I guess. So we're going to call it initial row, I guess. Initial row means the first row, or we can just give general name. So name is equal to csv.reader, and then you can put in brackets like that, and then you want to put my file inside it. To check that it works, we just run this just to make sure it's working. So if I run this, no errors, it's working. We haven't obviously outputted anything, so you don't expect there to be an output. So now we have to use a for loop. So now you want to loop through all the values and all that. So for names in name. So the names is just all the names, of course. Print name, or is it names? I believe, I'm not sure. It's one of the two. Okay, so it's given us something like that. Not very nice, of course. And as you can see, we've got our values over here. Stephen 15, George G 20, Mike 50, U 60. As you can see, we've got output and it's working. So it says print all the names and ages, and we've got all the names and the ages. And that's literally it, guys. It's very efficient, as in like we've done it in 5 lines. It's not a very complicated program, but we could have used another method, which was like ifs and a while loop, or a if and elif loop. Sorry, not if and elif, while loop, which would loop through all the possibilities or all the rows, but that would be fairly long. For loop is much more efficient when it comes to these kind of things, especially when it comes to reading rows from a list. I think for loops are much more easier to use as well. So what we've done in this for loop here is the names are all the names in the list, so we just call it names, and then we have the name, so like that one specific name. So we're starting at the beginning, so we've defined name as a CSV type, so we've made it into a CSV thing from our original my file, and then what we've done is we've actually looped through all the names and we've printed all the names, and that's literally it, guys. And yeah, and this is the first challenge that's coming your way, and there's more coming soon. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you for watching, and like, comment, subscribe.